Welcome back. Today, we'll learn how to edit an abandoned cart email template, a great way to recover lost sales and bring customers back to your store. The first step is to access your abandoned cart email template. Go to Admin Dashboard, Abandoned Cart, Email Templates. From there, you can find the abandoned cart email template that you want to edit. Now, start editing the content by dragging the elements. You can change the subject line, the body text, the images, and the call to action buttons. Make sure to use strong visuals and compelling copy to encourage your customers to complete their purchase. Once you're happy with your changes, be sure to save them. Here are a few additional tips for editing abandoned cart emails. The subject line is the first thing that your customers will see, so it's important to make it count. Use a subject line that is clear and concise, and that accurately reflects the content of your email. For example, you could use a subject line like, "Don't miss out on these items," or "Your cart is waiting for you." Sometimes, a little extra incentive is all that it takes to get your customers to complete their purchase. Consider offering a discount or incentive to customers who complete their purchase within a certain time frame. Your call to action buttons are the most important part of your abandoned cart email. These are the buttons that you want your customers to click on to complete their purchase. Make sure they are clear and easy to find, should be large and prominently displayed. Use strong verbs like buy now or complete purchase. If you want more advanced customization options, you may want to consider using a third-party plugin. There are a number of plugins available that can help you create beautiful and effective abandoned cart emails. We can try this free plugin. It's fully compatible and already has a sample template for our abandoned cart email. Simply drag and drop the elements, then edit them as per your needs. This can be a great way to save time and create professional-looking abandoned cart emails. By following these steps and tips, you can create effective abandoned cart emails that will help you recover lost sales and boost your revenue. I hope this video tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.